All right, folks, this is Jacob with Chris Smith's Office of Gardner Realtors, and today we're looking at an exquisite property at 2701 Jefferson Avenue. It's another rainy day. This property is interesting. So I'm just gonna come inside before I give you the rundown so I'm not standing out in the rain. It is 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's a split level property with 2,689 square feet. It's on a huge lot. I love this sunroom, by the way. 50 by 120. And we're in an excellent uptown Ferret neighborhood location. This is offered at $500,000, but the seller is offering a $100,000 credit for the buyer to be able to raise the property. And from my conversations with Chris, I don't believe that it'll cost that much to raise the property. So this is really an opportunity for somebody to get into this neighborhood when the effective price for what you're looking at right now is $400,000. So here's our kitchen. That circles back to our living room. It's really a gorgeous, gorgeous house. We're on a corner lot, just around the corner from the Starbucks on Jefferson and Ferret. Here is one of our bathrooms, one of our bedrooms, which is a bit of a sewing room right now. And then here is another bedroom. We did have this property listed before this, but it was for $545,000, and we did not have that $100,000 credit to the buyer. So that is a very significant reduction in price on this property, and it will not last long. There's another bathroom. I love the floors in this property. We're gonna go down here. So that was our first 2 floors, and then there's a 3rd floor down here. Another full bath. Bedroom, and that entire wall is just filled with shoes. And then here there's a little closet under the stairs too with your water heater, and then another bedroom down here, and then a laundry room. So I know people are probably going to have questions because of the price and because of the credit that's being offered, but I would just encourage you to call Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004 with any questions. Here's this backyard. Some great producing fruit trees right there, fully fenced. You've got a gated off-street parking spot with a garage. You could fit 3 plus cars here, maybe more like 5 or 6. Oh, wow. Pretty cool. So it's a brick house. As you can see from the inside, it's been very well maintained. So again, this is 2701 Jefferson Avenue. It's available now, offered at $500,000, but with a $100,000 credit to the buyer to be able to raise the house up to lower the flood insurance costs. Thank you for watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. This has been Jacob with Chris Smith's office with a unique opportunity here today in Uptown. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.